Now for the third part of this hadith. Okay, remember the first part was about the wiping of the socks for wudu. The second is about love, and you will be with the ones you love. And the third part now is about tawbah. And before I talk about this part, just a little bit of a background. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one day, at least one day, I don't know if it was multiple, it happened multiple times or just one time, I don't know. I think it just happened one time, and Allah knows best. And it's difficult to surmise, anybody can't be confident necessarily about it. But one day, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam spoke about the signs of the Day of Judgment. Okay? And he talked and talked and talked and talked for a long time. Okay? Some say from, I think, Dhuhr until Maghrib time, or Asr until Maghrib. He just spoke. He may have spoken thousands and thousands of words, right? So there's a hadith from different Sahaba. Some carry this information. Oh, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said this, and some tell you this much, and some tell you, because you only can repeat what you can remember, right? From this long speech, right? This is from one of them. By the way, you know, everything that we know about the signs of the Day of Judgment in the hadith, most of them actually come from the different hadith from that event that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam one day spoke about the last day. So, with that background, he said, this is Sufyan telling Zib, فَمَا زَالَ يُحَدِّثُنَا, and he didn't stop telling us about the Day of Judgment, حَتَّى ذَكَرَ بَابًا مِنْ قِبَلِ الْمَغْرِبِ. Okay, until he spoke about a door that is toward the west. Okay, so Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam speaking about the end times, and around that he's talking about something about a door that's toward the west. Masiratu ardihi, how, you know, if you were to span its width of that door, okay, the width of that door, أو يسير الراكب في عرضه, or a rider rides its width, right? 40 أو 70 عاما, it will take him 40 or 70 years, a long time, okay? So then Sufyan said, قبل الشام, he's now explaining, what does it mean toward the west? He's like, it's towards Syria. Not Syria, the Levant. What is the Levant? Northern, you can say northwestern Arabian Peninsula. What countries make up the Levant? Palestine, Syria, Jordan, Lebanon. But that general area is, in the ahadith literature, it was referred to as Sham, which in English translates to Syria, because, you know, that's what it's called. Syria is called Sham. But it's not, you know, these boundaries of these countries are very new. You know how old these countries are? They were born by the post-colonial 1917. And we think they've been there for a long time. What was it before? Yeah, it was still Sham. That area was called Sham. Okay? Alright. So this door is towards, he is explaining, it is towards Sham. خَلَقَهُ اللَّهُ يَوْمَ خَلْقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ مَفْتُوحًا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created that door, and it's the knowledge of the unseen, it's not a physical door, okay? That Allah created that door, that unseen door, when He created the universe. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created everything, that's when that door was created. يَعْنِي لِلتَّوْبَةِ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created that door for tawbah, for repentance. لَا يُغْلَقُ حَتَّى تَطْلُعَ الشَّمْسُ مِنْهُ. That door will not be closed until the sun rises from its direction. Which was the direction? West. What does that mean? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has opened the door of tawbah. Meaning Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts tawbah. And the width of that door, meaning what? Allah will accept. Now, there's a literal door because we believe in what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is telling us. Now, at the same time, we can take the spiritual benefit from it. See how wide the door is? Meaning everyone, the whole world can go through it. Meaning what? Everyone can ask for forgiveness, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept the forgiveness until the last day comes. That's what it is.